Jeff Sika is with us now. Jeff, you're big in real estate. What do you make of these numbers, first of all?
Well, David, I think they're terrible. First off, I think we're in the seasonally strong time for selling
coming
homes.
into it, yeah.
But now this is proving that to the first-time home buyer, this is still a blood-soaked hellscape for them. There's not a lot of inventory, that prices are extremely high, and interest rates are too high. And then you have all the people who are in lower interest rate homes that would want to either trade up, trade down. They're frozen out because rates are so high, and they'd have to take their low interest rate to get a higher interest rate. So the point I'm trying to make is that nothing has changed. This $4 million homes number, because of what we've been through, does not show we've made any improvement in affordability, and there's nothing more important than affordability.
Got to increase that inventory. You mentioned energy prices. How do you think the spike in energy prices is going to affect travel this summer, which is so important, critical?
Well, David, I look at travel as being, that to me is the gauge of, travel and leisure are the gauge of how the consumer is doing. Because think about it, if you have all your necessities covered, you're going to travel and you're going to spend money on leisure. Now, if you look at travel and leisure, it's been relatively strong because we've had a lot of rebound from the pandemic. Now what we're beginning to see is oil prices not only affect fuel, but they also affect hotel prices. Hotel rates go up. You have food.
But the question is how far these prices will go. So far, we're getting CPI numbers out this week. I believe it's tomorrow. How far will it go? Will these oil prices go and bleeding into the rest of the economy? Obviously, travel is big on it, but will we see it affect the core inflation rate? It
is, because now...
Hasn't been so far.
Not so far, but there's this lagging element of oil prices, because the longer oil prices stay elevated, you're going to see basic material prices start to elevate. I'm seeing it in my own business when we're involved with construction of any kind. You're seeing lumber, concrete, you're seeing a lot of steel. A lot of those prices are beginning to move up, some faster than others. And the longer this takes, the longer it takes for oil to come down, the more those basic material prices are going to stay high.
All right, Jeff Sika, good to see you, my friend. Thank you very much.